Welcome back, guys, to my channel. And then it is a good time to say thank you to everyone that have watched the first video, the second video, and then this is the third video which I'm going to be doing. So the first thing is that for people that have registered and they are yet to place order, please go and watch the second video. I'm going to put the link. The first video, the second video, I'm going to put the link under the description of this video, and the sign up link as well. So for those that have done their registration and as well they have ordered the dressing, they are going to send you an email that you need to send your billing address and stuff like that. We are going to tackle that in this video I'm about to start now. But the first thing I want you to do is, for those people that they might not have referral, you have to be checking in on the app every day so that you can be gathering points. Then when you gather more points, then you are going to use it to order again as well to make more money every day on this website. So the first thing you are going to be doing now is on your VPN. As you can see, my VPN is connected already to United States. Please make sure you on your VPN when you are doing anything about this update, So now you are going to go back, then now go to your Chrome browser or any browser you are using on your phone. Then just come to Chrome like this, and then search on the Chrome browser like this. Search on the Chrome browser. I'm going to open a new tab. Now you are going to search for APK Pure download. Then you click on it. Once you search like that, the first link, the first one at the top here, as you can see, I've clicked on it before. Then you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see it load up like this. Then you scroll up like this, then you say download APK. You are going to click on this download APK. Then once you click on it, then it's going to download on your phone. Then you install it. So once you are done with the download, you install it on your phone. Then you go back to your phone and go and check for the APK Pure app. Then you are going to click on APK Pure app like this, and then you are going to have it like this. Then the next thing you are going to do is, now you are going to search for the Dressin app. As you can see, this is my last history, but let me search it in front of you so that you can see. So you are going to click on this, you search like this, I want to search. You know, this app, they always consist so many adverts, but just follow as I'm doing it. Dressin. Then once you search like that, you just click on search. Then once you click on search, it's going to load up. Then you are going to see this is the Dressin app that you want to download. It is not on Play Store. You cannot download it on Play Store. So that is the Dressin app. As you can see, I need to update my own now. So let me just go ahead and update it in front of you like this. So it is waiting. So, and then I'm already updating it. So now I'm done with the update. Then you just click on open. It's going to open up. I've clicked on open. I'm waiting for it to load up. So this is how you are going to download the Dressin app. Don't skip any part of this video. Do well to like this video, share your comment, and share this video to your team as well. Let them watch it from the beginning to the end. Like I do normally say, don't do like you know it all. So the Dressin app is open already. So because on the website you will not be able to do the check-in, you will not be able to check in every day to get more points, but on the app you will be able to do that. So the Dressin app, this is it. As you can see, is as well like the website, but there are some little differences. So now I have my account logged in already. As you can see, my account, this is my account login already. As you can see, I have a product that is processing already. So this is the way you are going to, but on your own it's not going to load up like this. Because I have it already, I'm just updating it. Your own, you will be asked to log in. You will be asked to log in. So you will use your email and password that you use on the website to log in. Make sure your VPN is on when you are doing anything about this update. I repeat. So now the next thing is, as you can see, this is my profile and others like that. Now going straight to those that they have ordered, and then Dressin have sent an email to them that they have to do what their billing their billing address is having issue, that they have to send a billing receipt. Now that is where we are going. To do this, I want to make it easier for anybody that watch this video. I'm going to drop my contact on the description of this video so that you can chat me, because if I start doing the process of doing the editing of the stuff, receipt and others like that, it will take a long time to watch this video. But what you are going to do now is, once you receive this email, let me go straight to my email. You can see I am not pausing this video, I am doing it live in front of you. So now this is my email. Now let my email load up. Now look at this, look at this, look at this. I am finding the Dressin email that they sent to me, that I have to update my billing address. So now I'm finding the email, so I'm still looking for the email. Yes, so congratulations, more rewards. This is not the email, I have a lot of their email on my phone. So congratulations, no. So I'm still looking for the email. So I'm sure I will be close to it. Sorry, I always receive a lot of email. Now boom, this is the email. Verification required. So let me just open the email. So as you can see, verification required, order under review. So now we hope you are doing well. Thanks for shopping with Dressin. We detected some abnormal, as you can see, we detected some abnormal. Can you see? They said we detected some abnormal. We detected some abnormality on your what? On your, regarding your order. As you can see where I marked there. So now, to ensure security of your account and transaction, we will need to complete a brief identity verification process. Please send us at this email address. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to copy this email address. That's how you are going to do it. Every one of us will receive this email, sure. So you just copy this email, service@dressin.com, to confirm your billing address by including a recent utility bill or credit card statement. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to go back to my email, this same email, and go and write up an email to them. So I'm going to paste their email address, and then the subject now is, I'm going to type the subject in front of you now. You can see, so I'm on the subject now. So this is what you are going to write in the subject: regarding the confirmation. So I'm just going to type it, of my billing address. So that is the subject. So you can just copy what you now have here, just select or copy it, then you now say hello. So you now paste what you have here: regarding the confirmation of my billing address, below is my info for confirmation. So confirmation. So if you need the billing address of a thing, so you just say thanks, then you say regards. So you just say regards, then you just do what? You now come to this place if you are using Yahoo Mail, but you just use attach if you are using Gmail or any other email. So this, then you are going to, I'm going to select it. So you just message me on WhatsApp and I'm going to help you out in doing this. So this is my own, as you can see now. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check everything very well, dressing out everything. Then so there's no CC. You are not going to put anything in that place, but I'm just constructing. I'm trying to cross check, please. So now I'm going to click on send. So send now. So I am sending it already. Let me go and check my outbox so that I can know if it is outbox until it's sent. So it's sending already. So wait for it, make sure it's sent. You have just 3 business days to do this thing. So now it has been sent. Let me check my sent and then let me cross check. Yes, let me just scroll down. Can you see it has been sent? Can you see it has been sent? So now that is how to do the verification of the billing address. Now let's go back to the app. Let me show you how you are going to be checking in every day on the app. How you are going to be checking in on the app every day so that you will be getting more points every day. You are going to be getting more points every day. So I'm waiting for the app to load up. So the app is already loading up. Then you just come to your account. So once you come to your account like this, I'm waiting for it to load up. So you just scroll up like this, then you see checking. Can you see checking here? So once you click on checking, you are not going to see this on the website. Can you see I have missed 2 days, then I have done 3 days, 3, 4, 5. So you will be receiving plus 6 points every day, plus 6 points every day. So now you see plus 6, then some days you have plus 8, some days you now have plus 10, and that is how you are going to do it for the rest of the month. So, and if you have more referrals as well, then it will be increasing your points. Can you see the point I have currently? I have 35 points currently now. So this is how to download the Dressin app so that you can be checking in every day to have more points so that you can order more and get more money. Then how to do the verification when they send the email to you. Please do well to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Like this video and then make sure you share this video to your team as well. Then let me just show you let me show you my grab reward. This is my grab reward now that I have currently on this app, which is, can you see, you can get your referral link here. If you click on this invite, if you click on it like this, you're going to see the referral link here. You just click on copy URL. Then this is, can you see what I have currently now? So I cannot claim this to my wallet. As you can see, available balance is $62, available to withdraw is 8. Then previously withdraw, I have not withdraw anything. So now I can withdraw this $8 now on my wallet. So I can just say save to wallet, as you can see. So once I click on save to wallet, available to withdraw, then can you see I have, this is someone that registered under me and stuff like that. So I have available to withdraw. So I can just say so let me just click on it, confirm. So let me just click on $8. I'm coming. So let me just save to wallet. So process success. Then let me go back again. As you can see, I have claimed $4 now, remains $58. Let me go ahead again. Available to withdraw, I don't have anything available to withdraw, but I still have 54 that is holding. So not until when my billing address is being approved, then I will be able to come and take my $54 into my wallet. And then from my wallet now, if I come back here, If I come back to my wallet now, as you can see, I have $4 currently on my wallet. If I click on it now, so I can just click on and then say withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, I can refund, withdraw and stuff like that. So this is the way I can just withdraw. Anyway, I'm going to do the last video on that so that we can withdraw to our paper and then we start making this money cool and fast. Please like this video, share this video, drop your comments, and then I'm going to be expecting your chat on my WhatsApp. So see you in another video. Thank you.